Hi there, we're back again for part 2 of China at War. Page 307 of your text, China was able to fully mobilize against Japan. Persistent Chinese resistance consumed considerable Japanese resources. Without the Xi'an incident, where Chiang Kai-shek was abducted, World War II would have taken a different course. The Nanjing massacre by the Japanese in December of 1937 to January of 1938 was horrible. The Japanese troops went on a spree of murder, rape, looting, and torture, and about 300,000 were killed. I want to play for you a short video now talking about the Nanjing massacre.
December 13th, 1937, Japanese troops began occupying Nanking, the capital of China. But instead of surrendering, Chiang Kai-shek instead moves the capital of China to Chongqing. This move greatly surprises both Japanese soldiers and generals alike, who were under the impression that the war in China would only last a few months. This didn't just surprise the soldiers, but it angered them, and they wanted to take out their anger on the people of Nanking, who they had been taught and believed were inferior human beings, and so commenced the rape of Nanking. For 6 weeks, Japanese troops massacred soldiers and civilians alike. Gunshots of mass executions would echo through the streets, the screams of the tortured penetrating the air. There was once an instance of a man who was brought into the middle of the street, doused in gasoline, and burnt alive. An American doctor, Dr. Wilson, writes in his diary, "Between 20 and 80,000 women and girls were raped. At least 1/3 of Nanking's buildings were destroyed. Many homes and shops were looted by Japanese soldiers. There was once a contest between two soldiers over who could kill 100 people with a sword first. Depending on the source, up to 200,000 people were killed in the Nanking Massacre. The Nanking Massacre saw the use of technology to kill people on an unprecedented level. People suspected of being soldiers were lined up and executed by machine guns, and in some instances, poison gas. In this way, Japanese soldiers were able to kill thousands of people at a time."
So I'm going to stop the video here and we'll take it up in our PowerPoint presentation.